Welcome to this MATLAB video tutorial. If you've never used MATLAB before, this demonstration will get you started and show you where to go to next to learn more. The MATLAB language lets you construct commands to create and process variables. You can create variables by entering them in the command window here. For example, a equals 1, b equals 2, c equals a plus b, or d equals cosine of a. MATLAB is an array-based language where variables can be vectors, matrices, or n-dimensional arrays. You use square brackets to construct arrays. To create a row vector, you can type t equals 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You can use the colon operator to simplify the creation of equally spaced arrays. t equals 1 to 5. You can recall a previously entered command with the up arrow key and edit it. T goes from 0 in steps of 0.01 to 1. Adding a semicolon avoids command output being echoed to the command window. To see what variables you have created so far, type whos. And to see the value of a variable, just type its name, such as b. You carry out operations on vectors just like simple scalars. For example, y equals sine of 2 times pi times t. This makes use of the constant pi predefined in MATLAB. You can plot y against t with the plot command. You can find a list of available functions in the MATLAB help by clicking on the question mark here and going to the MATLAB section and browsing functions by category. Or you can search using keywords here. You can read the Getting Started help or see demos by clicking here. You can remove this when no longer required. In MATLAB, variables can be complex, with I used to denote the imaginary part, such as x equals 3 plus 4i. You enter matrices using the semicolon in the following way. A equals 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 10. Or you can use functions, such as the variable data equals a random matrix of 5 rows by 5 columns. You can find the dimensions of an array with the size function. You can perform matrix operations such as b equals the transpose of a, c equals a times b, which performs matrix multiplication, or c equals a dot times b, which performs element-wise operation, where the corresponding elements of each matrix are multiplied. You could calculate the inverse of a and multiply it by a. To confirm, you get the identity matrix. You can select elements or sections of an array by indexing. For the variable a, here is the value at row 2, column 3. Or for the variable data, rows 1 to 2, columns 2 to the end. You can set values in this way too. With data, you could set rows 1 to 2 and all the columns to 0. The colon operator used on its own in indexing specifies all elements, in this case all columns. Note that array indexing in MATLAB starts at 1. You can plot matrices as well. If you wanted to display the matrix W, generated by multiplying the transpose of the sine wave y with itself, you could enter surf of W, which creates a surface plot. That concludes the demonstration. You can try some of these examples in MATLAB now, or watch one of the other videos.